Hi guys, it's Kim, and I just got a new JuJuBe bag. This is the Hobobe, and I am super excited to try this out. So it normally comes with a strap that this part just attaches straight to these rings, but I've read a lot that it was a little bit too short and it's more comfortable when there's the swivel clips. So I bought this off the buy sell trade actually as is, like this, with the messenger strap. So I've been really liking it like this. And let's dive in. On the side pockets, I actually keep my phone in this side. It's really easy crossbody to just pull in and out my phone. It fits in here. This is the older style, so the tech pocket is a little small. The newer style has a huge tech pocket, so I'm sure it would fit better in there, but my phone does fit in here. It's just not easy to grab out. So I don't have anything in that tech pocket here, and I just pop my phone in the side. On this side, I have my daughter's Pura water bottle, and let's open up the mommy pocket. I have my keys on the key leash. I have my full-sized wallet from Target. In this front mesh pocket, I have a coin purse with coins, and nothing in the other mesh pocket. In the long zipper pocket in the back, I have my Be Charged that just has like store credits and other types of cards like that. Okay, so let's open it up on the inside. This is packed up with cloth diapers, just so you get an idea of the size. I have a 15-ounce Sip by Swell bottle, and that fits on the side and is actually able to zip up over the top, which is great. It does fit in this bottle pocket, but it sticks all the way up to here, and I don't like how it looks. And it zips up just fine inside. In the back mesh pockets, they're the same type of pockets as on the BFF, if you've ever had that. I have 2 cloth diapers, and these are one size all-in-ones, the Blueberry Simplex, and they fit great in there. And then in this back pocket, it zips all the way across. I have my white pouch, and then that's where I would store my wet bag as well, but they're all dirty right now. But this is a huge pocket. I just have the snacks kind of thrown in there. When I had the water bottle and the diapers and everything in there, they just fit perfectly, and we eat them up super quick anyways. But we just have a pouch, a granola bar for me, and a granola bar for my daughter. And then in this mesh pocket here, I just have a change of clothes for both of my girls. This mesh pocket is huge. I have a 3T pants and undies and a 12-month pants and shirt. And then there's a little zipper pocket here, and this is just where I have Baby Gannick's hand sanitizer. And that is everything for the inside of the bag. On the back, there is a snap where there is a light changing pad that comes with the bag. And that's all I have back there, just to keep a slim profile. Everything that I need and that I take out on just like our quick trip when we're going to the park or the grocery store, pretty much anything that we do for under 3 hours, this is all I'll need. If we're going out for longer than 3 hours, I'll take my Be Right Back, like if we're going to be packing a lunch or something like that. But I'm really excited about this. It's comfortable to wear crossbody, and I'll throw up a couple pictures of me wearing it to help you get a good size reference and what it looks like with the messenger strap on. All right, guys, bye.